Living in Redington Beach, Florida, comes with the undeniable perks of coastal living, breathtaking views, ocean breezes, and a laid-back lifestyle. However, the same climate that makes the area so desirable also presents challenges for homeowners. One of the biggest concerns? Humidity damage. Excess moisture in the air can wreak havoc on your home if it isn't properly protected, and your windows play a critical role in that defense. Professional window installation is one of the most effective ways to safeguard your home from humidity-related issues. The problem with humidity in coastal homes in a humid climate like Redington Beach, homes face constant exposure to salty air and moisture. Over time, poorly installed or outdated windows can allow condensation to build up. This creates the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew. Warp or rot frames. Wooden frames absorb moisture, leading to damage and decay. Weakened seals. Broken seals allow humid outdoor air to seep inside, raising indoor humidity. Cause water intrusion. Gaps from improper installation can let in rain and saltwater spray. Left unchecked, these issues can reduce indoor comfort, increase maintenance costs, and even affect your family's health. How proper window installation prevents humidity damage. Airtight seals. Professional window installation ensures precise fitting and high-quality sealing. This prevents humid air from sneaking inside and eliminates the small leaks that often cause mold growth and drafts. Moisture-resistant materials. Expert installers recommend frames made from vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum-clad options that resist warping and rotting. By pairing the right materials with expert installation, you can protect your home from the constant assault of Redington Beach's humid air. Advanced glass technology. Today's energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills. These designs reduce condensation by keeping indoor glass surfaces at a stable temperature, limiting moisture buildup that leads to humidity damage. Proper flashing and drainage. Professional installation also includes attention to detail around window openings. Flashing and drainage systems are critical to directing rain and condensation away from your walls, preventing long-term water damage. Everyday benefits for Redington Beach families. The advantages of protecting your home from humidity go beyond structural safety. Properly installed windows offer healthier indoor air quality. By blocking moisture, you reduce the risk of mold and mildew. Consistent comfort. No more hot spots, musty smells, or damp rooms caused by humidity leaks. Lower energy bills. Airtight windows reduce the strain on your air conditioner during Florida's hot, muggy summers. Peace of mind. Knowing your home is protected against the coastal climate reduces stress and costly repairs. Additional perks beyond humidity protection. While preventing humidity damage is a top priority, new window installation brings other benefits too. Curb appeal. Fresh, stylish windows instantly upgrade your home's exterior. Noise reduction. Multi-pane windows keep out street and neighborhood noise. UV protection. Low-E coatings block harmful rays that fade furniture and flooring. Increased value. Buyers in Redington Beach look for homes with modern, efficient windows designed for coastal climates. Why professional installation is essential. Even the best windows won't deliver their full benefits if they're not installed correctly. DIY installations often leave gaps that invite humidity back in, undoing your investment. Professional installers in Redington Beach bring the expertise to ensure a precise, airtight fit. Use moisture-resistant materials designed for coastal environments. Comply with Florida's building codes and storm prep standards. Provide warranties that protect your purchase for years to come. By trusting experienced local professionals, you'll enjoy long-lasting protection against humidity while maximizing the energy efficiency and beauty of your new windows. Final thoughts for homeowners in Redington Beach. Battling humidity is part of daily life, but it doesn't have to affect your comfort or your home's longevity. With professional window installation, you gain airtight seals, moisture-resistant materials, and advanced technology designed to withstand the coastal climate. The result? A healthier, more efficient, and more beautiful home that's well protected from Florida's humidity. If your current windows show signs of leaks, condensation, or damage, now is the perfect time to invest in proper installation. It's an upgrade that pays off in comfort, savings, and peace of mind for years to come.